We are going to make sure that this is short and sweet because it is something that we have talked about quite a bit. So in grammar, do you remember how we're talking about making things plural, making nouns plural? Do you guys remember what that means? Yeah. Tell me what it means, everybody.
It means
everybody, you can shout it out.
You have one thing turns into a lot of things, and if there's an F, you add ES, and if there's no F, then you just add S.
Okay, so normally if we have a noun which is one, a singular noun, we want to just add an S. Now it's Mrs. Fox's turn. Just add an S to make it plural. Sebastian, sit up. Okay, normally we just add an S to make it plural, but there are different rules for when we make it plural as well. Do you guys remember what happens if it ends in SH, CH, X, or S? What do you do to those words? Rebecca?
You add an ES.
Beautiful. You add an ES. Now, this is what we've been learning for the past couple of weeks, I think. What happens if we have something that ends in an F or FE? What do we do then, Levi?
And a VES.
We just add VES? What else do we do?
We drop the ES.
The FE or F. Good. So grade 1, do you remember the actions for what we are learning?
No. Yeah.
Do we need to go over it one more time?
No.
I think so. Okay. If it ends in F or FE, drop it and add VES. Good. Now we're all going to do that really quick. I don't want to see anyone playing with anything. I want to all see you, each and every single one of you, make the actions for me. Ready? I want to hear all your voices too.
If
it ends in F or FE, drop it and add VES. Very good, grade 1. We're going to go through 2 examples, and only 2 examples, and I need some friends to help me figure out how to fix these words, or not fix them, but to change them, okay? So my first word here, can you read what it is? Do you know what that word is? Say it if you know what it is.
Star.
Very good. What does it end in? What do I do if I want to talk about more than one scarf? Willow, come on up. Change it for me, please. And is this where you are? Levi, show me you're ready. Okay, I'm going to write the next word on the board, and I want you to think about it while Willow is doing her writing. Just think about it. What is the word? How do we make it plural? Are you doing that? What do you think, Reva? How do the word look? Looks good to you?
Yes.
It looks fantastic to me. Thank you so much, Willow. Awesome job. Willow, you dropped that F and you added VES. It's beautiful. Thank you. June, do you think you know what you need to do here? Okay, can you show us, please? Would you like to tell us what you're doing while you're doing it? Explain it to us. Teach it to the class.
I'm going to swap the S and write VES.
Do you just drop just the F?
The E.
The E. doing just 2. And add 4. What do you think, grade 1?
No.
2 thumbs up. That is awesome. Okay, our life becomes lives. Wonderful job. Thank you so much, Jim. We are going to get started on our work right away. So you are about to get this piece of paper, and what's going to happen is the first thing you're going to do is
Write your name.
very good. Grade 1. After that, you are going to cut out these little boxes, and you're going to match these plural words to these singular words. Do you think you can do that?
No.
Raise your hand if you have a question. Sebastian,
I can't do that.
what part do you not understand? Okay, so these are the singular words. You're going to cut out these words here, and you're going to put it in the box that matches the word. So this one says leaf. You're going to find leaves and paste it in there.
Okay,
So these are another row of words.
that no, the middle.
Oh, they're still plural words, hun.
Oh, so they're still going there.
They'll still go there too. Dawson,
Can I go to the bathroom?
in just a minute. Do we have any other questions about what to do? Bronwyn,
I'm going to say.
you don't have glue? Okay, I actually don't have any more glue left, so you might have to ask a friend. Thank you, friends. All right, so now grade 1. My handouts are going to come help hand these out, and you are going to get started straight away. Capiche? That was bad. Capiche? Beautiful.
How come you're not it?
Oh, can you give it to the hand up? Oh. Rebecca, can you
Megan,
give
give
it
it
to
as your paper.
Sorry.
I'm